Hello, so my name is Lewis. I'm a data scientist here at NOVOS, and I'll be providing a brief overview of our new relevancy score, explaining the scoring standards and how it is calculated. Our new relevancy score is a combination of multiple SEO variables, all being used together in conjunction. So as you can see on the screen here, these are the factors that the tool considers. We use AI-powered categorization. We look at the URL structure and the subfolder structure. We look at the on-page content and we look at the keywords. Once we have all this information, we merge it into one hub. And this hub is run through multiple machine learning algorithms. And this provides us with our score out of 100. And this is the relevance of your required coverage. After months and months of internally experimenting with our new relevancy score, we've created scoring standards. And these scoring standards allow you to categorize the relevance of all of your pieces of coverage. So as you can see on the screen here, we have four categories: low relevance, slightly relevant, relevant, and highly relevant. I'll be providing a few examples of each of these in the next few slides. So let's use the example that we work at Voxel, and we want to analyze the relevancy of a few pieces of required coverage. We'd run them for our new relevancy tool. And we'll be presented with this new relevancy report. So I've made this relevancy report with a few example publications. Let's start here with BBC Good Food. BBC Good Food has scored low because if we go back to the beginning, if we look at the factors that the tool considers, the URL, the keywords, and the on-page content, it's just not aligned with Voxel. But if we move on to the Express, it would normally be scored lower. This has landed on the car page, which means it is more relevant to Voxel. So if we do go back to the factors, the URL structure is a lot more aligned with Voxel, and that is the reason that it has scored higher. And then we look at Motor One, which is a primarily cars-focused publication, and the keywords, the content, the URL is all to do with cars, and it scored a perfect 100 out of 100. And then lastly, we have Teslarati. And the thing with Teslarati is, it is a highly relevant publication. But if we go back to the factors, the URLs align with cars, the keywords will be aligned with cars, but the on-page content is not primarily to do with cars. It focuses on cars, but it also focuses on Elon Musk and SpaceX. So that's the reason it's not as high as Motor One. So this is just a few examples of the scores that the tool provides. Okay, so that's the end of the video of me explaining about our new relevancy score here at NOVOS. I want to thank you guys for listening, and if you are interested about the tool, please go to this URL here and remember that all newly created accounts get 20 free analysis. And thank you guys for listening.